video, I'll show you step by step the new method on how to add money to Binance wallet. So first up, after you open up your Binance wallet like this, so just tap on this receive button. After you select the receive button, so now you have three options. So the first one, if you want to receive the money from your Binance exchanger, that's your own Binance exchanger, you just select this one. After you select this one, so here are all are your balance. So you can go ahead now and select the money you want to add. So let's say you want to add this BNB. So just select BNB, this one again, and continue. So here you type in the amount of the BNB you want to receive. So here is the minimum amount. So just type in the amount. Let's say you want to receive 0.5. After that, just tap on this transfer button. So from there, the money will be sent into your Binance wallet. But if you want to receive the money from another wallet, which is not your Binance, so just go back. So after you open just the Binance wallet like this, go to this receipt. So from this option now, select this one, receipt tokens B address. So after that, from this option now, all you have to do, go ahead now and search for the token you want to receive. So let's say I want to receive USDT, Solana, or USDT, BNB, or Solana. Just choose what you want to receive. Let's say I want to receive BNB as well at the same time. So after you select the BNB, so here it will give you the address. So here is the address. Just copy the address, and here is the network. The network is smart chain network. So here is now the network. So copy the address and send the address to someone who will send you the money. So and ask and tell him that the address is for BNB, so that the person can be able now to send you BNB into your Binance wallet. So that's it, guys, on how to send money or how to add money to Binance wallet. And the last option now, if you want to add the money, you can use your MasterCard or Visa card. So you can just click on this receipt. So you just choose this one, buy with card. So from this option now, choose what you want to buy. So let's say you want to buy this BNB as well at the same time. After you select this Binance Smart Chain, so select this one. So from this option, as you can see now, so here now, if you now just want to add 15 USD, so from there you'll be able now to get this amount of BNB, and then just click on this option now to add your MasterCard or Visa card. After you finish adding your card, just tap on the continue button. So from there, the USD you added, it will just convert the USD into BNB, and the amount will be added into your Binance wallet. And these are the three methods on how to add money to Binance wallet. Hope this video helps. Like and subscribe. We'll meet in the next one.